That's why when I walk, I'm a fine.
Hey girl, hey, it's Simone Love coming at you with another video. And on today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my matcha green tea lattes that I usually get from Starbucks. The line at Starbucks has been really long, like almost 30 minutes worth of waiting. And when I usually get my green tea lattes from Starbucks, I always ask for a vanilla sweetener. It just makes it so much more bomb. So I hope this works for you guys. These are the materials that I used. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below and let me know what all you guys want to see from me in future videos. So stay tuned. Love you guys.